morning sunshines. Welcome back to my pretend baking show. Before we start, I want to give a huge thank you to all of those subscribers that subscribe to my channel. I finally passed 100 and I'm so stoked. In this episode, we are going to be making a Sesame Street themed cake, and my edible printer did not work for some reason, of course, on the decoration day. So I decided to hand paint Elmo and the Cookie Monster, and I absolutely love the way it came out. So if you're interested, keep watching. This is also a quick shout out to Sky. Good morning, Sky. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me on this channel. I hope this inspires you to keep baking. So onto the video. I have my cakes baked and frozen. This is the easiest way that you can handle the cake without all the crumbs falling out everywhere. And I also got this non-slip mat, the silicone mat from NY Cake. It literally is the best thing that I bought so far for baking. All right, so you get your cake board. This is an 8-inch round. These cakes are 2 6-inch layer vanilla rounds. And same process as every time. Grab your buttercream, a little bit on the board, stick it on there, dollop. And this layer is just going to be the crumb coat, so it's a super thin layer of buttercream just to keep the crumbs from getting on the outer coat of your buttercream. Alright, so this cake has been chilled for about 5 minutes and it is firm to the touch, so we are good to go. Plop this on, and this is our final layer of buttercream, so we are going to be making this layer super smooth and a little thicker than the crumb coat.